nigga. God is a blessing, my nigga. One up production, nigga. Always keep that motherfucker. No face affiliation. All the time. See, now if you niggas knew me, man, you niggas love me, nigga. In the beginning, what to do, they already know what the fuck it is, nigga. Always that way. Life gloves glossy. One glance could be costly. Medusa's turn, you just don't. My belief, you frosty. Cold inside. So you can feel the pain coming from windows left open. Releasing the same, our streets are drained. Only teddy bears remain. Cemeteries packed just like that prison cage. I've been through mazes. Shootouts amazing. Ambush, literally from the bushes they spray from. Came back and came something. Damn, they ain't budging. Caught, I'm on my right side. I had to wake something. See too much, way too much, and soaked it up like sponge. Never knew that prison about me, but I had my fucking from my bars and my buttons. And truth to be told, pupils bent over cottage growth that you know. So how the fuck would you know what my life is? I'm going mad like Cujo. The story behind my eyelids.
If you look into my eyes, you see me inside you. And you go with one window. Head down in my thighs and crying. Look into my eyes, you see me inside you. And you go with one window. Head down in my thighs and crying.
What it do? What it do? It's your boy Tommy G. Welcome to another episode of Coffee and Cannabis. You hear why we call it coffee, guys. Anyway, we just sitting here, enjoying ourselves on this nice day. Speaking on issues, talking about certain things that we supposed to talk about. Call us the unafraid. Actually, one issue I was delving upon, bro, I was watching documentaries on the street gangs from LA, New York, Chicago. But of course, I'm going to favor my particular region, which is the upper and lower Midwest area. Bro, after further studies and looking into things concerning like Jeff Ford, Larry Hoover, Willie Lloyd, Mickey Caldwell, and Booney Black. Bro, these guys all was 13 years old, bro. They was kids in these organizations. You know what I'm saying? First, they was street gangs. To be honest, they was little street gangs, 13 years old. And, and they had to step up as little men to fight oppression in the urban areas. You're like, what? Okay, these guys 13 and 14, bro, they said the oldest one had to be about maybe 15. Where was the guys that was 17, 18? For these youngsters, bro, I'm talking about the hundreds. You listen to these stories concerning Larry Hoover and Jeff Ford and Willie and all them guys, man, and David Barksdale, and you're like, what? 13. Holding it down strong for their neighborhoods, man. Making sure, trying to make sure, to the best of their ability, that their neighborhood stay safe. That could have been non-feasible, bro, until I look back in my life and seen that, hey, I was out there 14. I was out of my mama's house at 14. Been out there ever since, bro. So it's not hard to think, especially concerning us black men. We know what to do, even as children. And them guys, to me, proved it, bro. Wow. Had, Morgan Park, Inglewood area, even coming up towards areas like in Milwaukee, the north and south sides of it. Going to areas like Chief MALIK, Jeff Ford. He had factions all in New York and California also, bro. And this dude was not, I repeat, he was not a criminal. He may have done some things in his past, but bro, this man was trying to get schools, government, programming for us, the black children. When my mother was a child and everything, man, saying, even though my mother, she was affiliated with the other side, she always got respect for Jeff Ford. in love. Like, man, he can come to the house, do whatever, you know what I'm saying? You know, because he's a strong, respectful man, regardless of what he represented. And that stuff, concerning the gang life, bro, that stuff had got bad. To me, I see the drugs. The government threw drugs in there and took away jobs and stuff, as I keep saying, and forced these guys to be, you know, mobster, street hoodlum kingpins. You know what I'm saying? That's how the media labeled them. But when they got grown, when them 13-year-old boys got grown, they started showing like, hey, we some strong individuals who can do more. Jeff Ford said the most famous shit I heard in my life. He said, ain't gonna be no killing without no killing. He talking to the police. It ain't gonna be no killing without no killing. There will be blood for blood. There ain't gonna be no blood without no blood. That's why he locked up. It ain't because of no falsified shit about him finna blow up the White House. That shit was all fabricated, bro. They gave the street gangs in Chicago $1.4 million to split. And them guys only got $300,000 of their money and didn't even get a chance to do what they needed to do with the money, really. It was a front, you know, for the Black Power movement or whatever. Then they take the money back from them guys and start throwing them in jail, throwing tags on them, make them look like devils. When they was actually what they used to call Chief MALIK, Angel. He was the guy that stopped the fights. He's the guy jumped in the middle like, hold on, man, we ain't supposed to be on that with each other. He wasn't the dude encouraging, hey, let's go over and kill these disciples and all that. He wasn't on that, bro. Like Larry wasn't on that. Going out, oh, let's go kill some stones and Lord. They was not on that. It was people that was within, helping those outside of that empire or empires that caused this, man. Them drugs. That damn cocaine and heroin. They sure tried to put like your PCP too. Yeah, people dipping cigarettes. All type of stuff, bro. So yeah, you gotta give it up to them guys, bro. Not just the guys under the 6-point star, but them guys under the 5-point star too. The Vice Lords had got grant money. The Stones got grant money. I don't know, just people overdoing it. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Anyway, all them individuals, bro, came out with a solid mind to help the people. And something was thrown at them. And to me, according to my analysis, my studies, it was them fucking drugs, bro. That's all it was. They said it was a war on drugs. Well, drugs won. Because they still here. You can go almost any state and get you probably a kilo of cocaine. How is that possible? How is it even plausible? That's the stuff I try to have my guys be like, how's that plausible? You think I can go to Hawaii and give me a motherfucking ounce of cocaine, nigga? Okay. Now I can go to Montana, Vermont, Rhode Island. What? Y'all gotta think. Them young 13-year-old brothers, they didn't bring that stuff in here. It was introduced to them, forced upon them. Then they took away and killed leaders, bro, that they don't even speak on in Black history. Black Panthers that was totally against the drugs coming into the neighborhoods, into our areas, into the communities, into America, period. These guys is wiped out. But we steady going back to these people talking about help us. It's time for them to go. The ones that's up top just blowing it all, how are they still there? It's time for new leadership, y'all. They didn't went see now. Okay, you did a great job. America's still here. You held it up best you can. Adios. It's time for a reform. It's time for some young people with reformed minds, non-racist, non-bigot, you know what I'm saying, bigoted. It's time for some hearts up in there now. Only thing we had in Washington, D.C. was minds. Now it's time for some hearts to be combined with the minds of the elders who came up with these laws and statutes for us. They just wasn't fair to us with the laws. Us, I mean, us brown people, us people of color. Once we start reading, looking into certain things, getting information, trading information, learning off each other, hey, we're filing taxes the right way, opening up business the right way, maybe even schools. It's time for reform. Like them old people up there, man, all that gray hair, they going crazy. Just like I admit, my mama, she admit, hey man, I ain't all the way here, and she in her 60s. We got cats in their 80s and 90s up there, man, talking about they all right. All right. All right. Senile as hell, bro. Supreme Court justices, they up there for life. They can't get kicked out. They die out. How, bro? That mean motherfuckers up there forever, man. It's time to take notice of our true history, bro. Look into things. Learn them brothers that was in these organizations. They killed Tookie Williams, man. He had a children's book. He was, the founder of the Crips. We supposed to be a nation of forgiveness. Why y'all have Arnold Schwarzenegger kill him? This be one of my favorite actors. After that, it's over with. I don't even like watching the dude no more. I don't even want to see you, bro. You just murdered a man on national TV and think it's all right. No, I'm the Terminator. I made the rash decision, but it had to be made. No, motherfucker. Fuck that. That dude was an old man with children also, nieces, nephews, a reformed mind. Could have let him live, let him out, actually. Don't let all them guys out. All them guys that got locked up in them indictments, RICO Act bullshit, they need to get let go. Fort, Hoover, whoever else went with them, bro. It says 68 hours on Larry Hoover. 4 hours was used. Only 2 minutes of that 4 hours was possible. Nigga, if that ain't doubt, reasonable doubt, out of 68 hours of conversation, you use 4 minutes to listen to it. Maybe 2 minutes of that is enough for something that was illegal. You weren't just tapping him, you was tapping others that was visiting him. And they didn't give you permission to record them. Them tapes supposed to be null and void. Let the man go. But, here you go, bro. Same with Chief Malik, bro. Same with Mr. Fort. Bogus case, bro. Just laid upon him. He's a terrorist trying to blow up the White House. Gaddafi sent them money and weapons. Really? I'm watching. I'm a youngster. I'm watching like, what? We believing it. Like them Stones, them Mel Rookers ain't playing. They ain't even go down. Shit. This shit was cotton candy, nigga. Shit was cotton candy, nigga. Nothing, just fabricated motherfucking fabric. Sweet fabric, nigga. Just melt. No sustenance. You just lock that man up, bro. I encourage y'all to go look into these guys' stories and see the deception that was placed upon us, and the stigma that was placed upon them. It really didn't deserve it, bro. They tried. 13 years old in the streets trying to be grown men because won't nobody else step up. You gotta applaud them guys. Not abhor them. You have to applaud them. I do. I salute them. And I want them home, bro. They deserve to be with their grandbabies and babies. We want them home. They deserve to be home. It's all this technology, nigga. They got cameras in tree leaves, nigga. Straight up. Fuck you mean? These birds freezing in the air. Them ain't real birds, motherfucker. That's some mechanical shit going on. We thinking it's nature. No, that's some shit. Some other shit. Planes freezing in the sky and shit like that. Man, let the man out. There's nothing they can do, bro, that y'all won't know about. For real. Y'all know everything we doing out here. You know, everywhere we at. Real. You know you're going to tap him instantly. Everybody's tapped. Let them out. I don't believe in that. They gave up our privacy. Well, they gave up our privacy and shit. They gave up our liberties. Believing in 9/11 and all that old garbage. I didn't believe in that shit. Still don't. Don't care. Let them dudes home. For real. They got grandbabies. Nigga, they probably great grandbabies by now, nigga. What you talking about? They just demonize them niggas, man. They just demonize them brothers, them kings. What, for media hype? For, what we want to say, accepted slavery, which is the prison system boom, along with the private prison system boom. Okay, this stuff gonna get exposed and is being exposed. People like me who's not afraid to speak, who know got the Lord on our side, that when it come time to fight, that we got the spirit of Elijah. They scared of that one. Y'all know he don't do nothing but come to fight. Elijah's a warrior spirit. He don't do, that's all he does. That's all he does, is win wars. Man, I just want to say this before I go. Let's stay in prayer. And if I didn't say good morning and God bless, or good day and God bless, good day and God bless. And make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate everybody that's been supporting and leaving comments. You know, this is Coffee and Cannabis, and I'm gonna keep it going. Today I had no coffee because it's midday actually, you know what I'm saying? But still gotta keep it going. Especially with the cannabis. No. Especially with the awareness. And that's what I'm gonna continue to do. I do have like other stories concerning my stint, but it's gonna be for another time. Today was for them brothers. You know, after seeing all that, yeah, nah, them guys really need to come home. 13 years old, forced to be leaders, so they can help feed and protect. Man, get out of here. Let them boys home, man. Let them men home, them kings. Straight up. And that's what God loves, bro. Like I said, man, another episode of Coffee and Cannabis. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy, Tommy G. Like I say, love first, peace later. We out. Check it out. Hold this. We gotta get up out of here. G didn't help over here. What? Come on, let's ride.
When you hear we coming, it sounds as if we're stomping on landmines. Handling we function straight up dumping, we mankind. When Busterism and chronic hating, we transpire because we calico, desert eagle, 44 and 9. Crown leaning to the right of my skull as I stroll. We cross
He out here with him, barbecuing. Yeah. Shit. Let's keep the love, y'all. Keep aware. Keep aware of all bull. You know what I'm saying? So you can stay away from it. Everything. Out the lakefront.